Start with my token, so or all right? Both. So all right. Drive shaft needs to come out, starter will come out and disconnected. The shift linkage and the shifter, that's why I'm dropping this down to work through the shifter.
So when you put a towel on the shift knob, why?
So I wrap the shifter shaft with the thought that the towel will hold it from falling down. So I'll disconnect take the bolts, I think there's 2 bolts that hold it to the back in the tail shaft of the transmission. So if that's disconnected, take the rods off, then that shifter mechanism can just hang in the tunnel. I can pull the transmission out, get that on the floor, leave the bell housing on the back of the motor, and then up and out. Transmission's out. Right there on the ground. Muncie. Wide ratio. Whew.
What's next?
Power steering pump. Gotta go out. Gotta go out.